Siri, where am I going?
You know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue. On the edge, leaning out. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh.
Heading straight to Denver from Wyoming. I'm still exhausted, but I did have some caffeine, so I'm feeling a little bit better. The sun is going down and the elevation is going up. Two things that I really, really don't like. Also, what's with these warnings all over the freeway that's like, warning, there might be snow. It was 100 degrees yesterday in Denver. How is it even possible to start snowing now? As far as time goes, the drive really wasn't that long compared to what I've done. This will be like an 8-hour drive once I get there. Maybe once I go up these mountains or down these mountains on the way to Denver, that'll wake me up a little bit more, or at least it better, otherwise it's going to be very dangerous.
But guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing.
What is Colorado even known for? Like, I feel like there's something important, but I can't remember. Shrooms? Or was there like a movie filmed there? Or wait, South Park. Maybe feeling a little bit delusional from the drive. I might have hit my breaking point.
I guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you're asleep. With us it's
Looks like there's a crazy ass fire here. The air quality is terrible. I can smell the smoke from in here. I'm so confused. Like, is it nighttime or not? I just went over a hill and all of a sudden it's really light over here. And over there it was like nighttime and it looked like that Lord of the Rings place with all the fire.
with us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing. But guess I need more of you. You say
Well, we made it to Denver. I can't even see straight. I'm so tired. I don't usually drive that tired. I'm not even sure what happened. Honestly, Denver kind of seems like a cooler version of Los Angeles. Like, all the buildings are super artsy without having to try too hard. I was really worried about what the weather was going to be this morning. Yesterday was 100 degrees, the day before was 100 degrees, and today it might start snowing. Of course, as I'm trying to leave. Right now, it looks like it's just raining, so I'm trying to leave and get to my destination as soon as possible before it starts snowing. Because I'm f***ed if it starts snowing. I have no idea how to drive in it. From Los Angeles, I could barely drive in the rain. It actually is snowing, it's just not sticking yet. Looks like it's really windy too.